Everybody, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make herbal honey infusions, and this recipe is perfect for the cold and the cough. Since we are in the winter season, everybody's catching the cold. So first I'm going to be showing you the herbs that I'm going to be using. I'm using fenugreek seed, peppermint leaf, and thyme. And I got all these herbs from mountainroseherbs.com. If anyone's interested, I'll put the link down from where I got these herbs. So first you're going to need a big beautiful glass jar, some natural unbleached wax paper, your herbs of course, and the most important ingredient, organic honey, raw honey. So you're going to make sure first that the jar is completely clean with no wet spots whatsoever. You cannot have the jar wet before putting the herbs in. You could end up having some mold in there. You don't want that at all. So I do recommend putting dry herbs because fresh herbs contain water in it, and you, of course, like I said, you do not want mold. If you do have just fresh herbs, make sure you dry them completely before infusing your honey. So I'm going to just be eyeballing this. I'm not going to be measuring anything. And I'm going to put all these herbs combined in the jar. And what I'm going to do is just eyeball and put a very even amount of each herb. So since this bag is already very little, we'll actually see. Yeah. I'm gonna just go ahead and put the whole bag in here. That's how much I have, okay? And that's the fenugreek. Definitely put it in your teas, your drinks, your coffee, your latte. This peppermint smells amazing. And you can put this in your oatmeal, anything you love putting honey in, I recommend completely. It's all up to you. So as you can see, we're just kind of eyeballing and making sure this is like an even amount, just like is the fenugreek here. And this is very, very easy. Anybody can do this at home. It's very fun. Just be creative with your herbal honeys, infusions, whatever you love. You can pick whatever herb. There's so many herbs out there to choose from that is very good with dealing with colds and symptoms of the cold. So next is thyme. Now this blends it with the peppermint, so let's see. Let's add a bit more, and I think we'll be good to go. And I also forgot to mention, you want to have a paper towel when you're doing this because you are going to be making a mess. I promise you that. And this is all the herbs combined. Now we're going to be putting our honey in. If you have some chopsticks or a stick or the end of a wooden spoon, you have to now mix the herbs with the honey to make sure everything is all mixed up and being infused. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It smells so beautiful. And that is how you do a honey herbal infusion. This is going to sit in the honey for about 3 to 4 weeks. It has a long shelf life, I believe up to a year or less. And that is the great thing of infusing herbs with honey, because honey has a long shelf life. So just making sure you put the wax paper on top of the jar to prevent any BPA or chemical from the lid from going inside the honey, and sealing it tight shut, and leaving this in a dark, cool place to infuse and extract all those beautiful, lovely properties from those wonderful herbs in the honey, to then later strain the honey from the herbs and enjoy your herbal honey. So that is how you do a herbal honey infusion, and I hope you guys learned something from it. You can do so many things with herbs, and that is the beautiful thing with this medicine. And you can put this honey anywhere. Just making sure you stir it nice and well. This is very compacted, as you can see. But hey, everything's okay. It's still going to soak up these herbal properties if it's here longer than 3 weeks. I hope you enjoy learning about herbs and incorporating these